Hey there, smoothie lovers! We did it! Because of your support and belief in our dream, Smoothie Cards Kickstarter is now 100% funded.
So if you're on the fence about whether or not to back our idea, you can rest assured. Now that the campaign is fully funded, Smoothie Cards are 100% coming this year.
Words cannot describe how happy we are right now. To think that only 4 months ago, Smoothie Cards was just an idea between the two of us.
None of this would have been possible without every one of you telling your friends, sharing our posts, and backing the Kickstarter campaign. So thank you.
You might be thinking, now that we reached our primary goal, what happens next? Can I still order a box? Or is the Kickstarter over? Well, we have some good news. Our campaign will stay live until February 4th, so you still have plenty of time to get your very own smoothie cards.
You might also be thinking, what's the point of backing the Kickstarter right now, since they've already reached 100%? Well, I'm glad you asked, because now we can start pushing for our stretch goal.
If we can raise $15,000, we'll immediately start working on the first expansion pack for Smoothie Cards. We are going to have our supporters pick the theme of that new pack.
So if you're ready to purchase a box, or if you'd like to try some free recipes, you can follow the links down below.
That's all the news we have for you today, but we wanted to say thank you one more time. We won't let you down. So until next time, remember to always live life smoothly.